this video, we're going to be talking about how to hide the mutual friends on the new Facebook interface. So let's just get straight into the video. On the new Facebook interface, you cannot directly toggle a button to hide mutual friends. Mutual friends are calculated based on the overlap between your friends list and another person's. So what you can do is simply go ahead and hide your mutual friends by setting your overall friends list to private. And in order to do that, all you need to do is simply go ahead and open your Facebook, click on your profile, and then you can click on the triple lines icon. Once you've done that, simply go ahead and look for the gear icon right over here, which is going to be settings. And then you want to click on settings one more time. Once you've done that, you want to simply go ahead and look for audience and visibility settings right over here, as you can see. And now simply go ahead and tap on how people can find and contact you right over here. And then who can see your friends list. Make this only me and click on save. It is as simple as that. I hope this video clarified everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below and I'll see you on the next one.